There was some optimism today over U.S.-China trade, and the upbeat sentiment came from Beijing, where the tone was different. Eunice Yoon has more.
China is sending a positive signal on the trade talks. Over the weekend, Vice Premier Liu He, who's China's chief negotiator with the U.S., made a rare public speech on the talks, suggesting progress. At a tech event, he said, China and the U.S. have made substantial progress in many aspects and laid an important foundation for a Phase 1 agreement. China is willing to work in concert with the U.S. to address each other's core concerns. The comments sound like the standard lines out of the government on the talks, but the state media descriptions are not. The Communist Party paper, the Global Times, described the remarks as Beijing's most clear and authoritative on progress. State media blog Taoran, closely watched by trade experts, said Liu's comments indicate the negotiators are, quote, approaching a Phase 1 agreement. The official press had been managing expectations down, and now the tone is slightly optimistic that an agreement can be reached. That optimism helped support the Chinese stock markets today, which largely shrugged off a surprise decision by the central bank. The PBOC left its new benchmark lending rate for banks, the LPR, unchanged in October. Some analysts believe this means policymakers are being cautious about loosening policy because of the high debt here. But with the economy slowing, most still expect rates to drop further by the end of the year. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Eunice Yoon in Beijing.